Still okay.
I can announce myself. Give me a name.
Welcome, gentlemen. Do like Dean Watt. Do the commentary while you're watching the match.
Oh boy.
I'll do it.
Wow, that's a pretty good matchup. Come on out! Come on out!
Wow, watch the blood here. Wow.
What? This is Stewie of the PAT. Major Apocalypse. That's a song.
Should I just let it go?
Yeah, just keep. Come on out! Restart it. Who cares? Go ahead. Yeah. Oh no.
Hi everybody, I'm Stewie, and once again, Huey isn't here again. I don't know where he is, but I'm here. I won last week, and I'm gonna win again this week. Hi. I'm Mr. Referee.
Hello.
I'm going to wrestle today.
Sure.
I'm gonna beat the Major. I'm gonna win again.
Maybe not. He's on tape. Andy's is on tape.
And his opponent.
Yes. Give me your stuff since I am messenger boy.
He's wearing a funky outfit.
Yeah, and he's wearing a red beret.
Yeah, he doesn't match. Not cool. The positive acting team's cool. Hi. Hi, Major. I've come to wrestle you today.
Pockets are fine.
Hi.
Ring the bell over there.
Hi.
Ding 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 ding.
Hi. Oh. Oh. Oh.
And we will lock up by Major Apocalypse. Hello everyone, my name is Ian Rotten.
Ow.
Random kicks to the knees, to the knee lifts to the chest. Oh, and a great takedown by the Major.
Ow. Huey, where are you? Ow.
The moron Stewie calls for his gay partner Huey.
Ow. Ow.
Random kicks to the stomach now.
Ow.
Excuse me, are you okay?
I feel like Ian Rotten and we're in Louisville, Kentucky right now. Oh, and a vicious leg drop. Oh no. Oh no, I think that was a blatant kick to the groin.
You okay?
The ref can't even believe that one.
Oh!
Oh, almost out of the judge, but no. Oh, he's got a reversal. And there's no count. 2. Oh, only a 2 count. The ref says 2.
I've got him.
I think I heard that one.
I've got him.
Oh, those are. Oh!
Oh, vicious lariat.
Now.
Stewie, oh.
You're on his back.
Stewie, being the moron he is, does not realize that he's... But the Major goes for the reversal. Oh, but it's reversed again. But he's not down.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
Watch out for those open hands.
Oh, he's
Sometimes.
cheating.
Is he hitting you in the head?
Yes, he hurt.
Well,
Oh.
sorry.
Oh. Oh. Oh, he's breaking my arm.
It's okay. It still moves, right? Ooh.
Oh.
He's going for some form of submission hold that doesn't seem to be working.
Go, kid. Go.
Oh. I've got him now.
Okay.
I'm breaking his arm.
Okay? Oh no, we have another correct.
Oh.
Don't touch it. Go. I like
Hey.
it. I'm ripping.
Cameraman would request a butternut donut, please.
Oh, I've got him. Look at him. Got him. Ask
Okay.
referee.
Okay.
Oh.
Give up. Oh, I guess.
Stewie gets taken down by the Major. He's got him. 2. Oh, only 2. Just 2.
I like pulling your shirt down for some reason.
Oh. Wow. Oh, he's hurting me.
He didn't hit you.
He's not allowed to do that.
Right there.
No matter if I had
Oh, nice and high. Give up. Go. 1, 2.
Oh. Ah. Ah. Ah.
Give up.
No. Ow.
Give up.
No. Stu never quits. Oh. I'm gonna win. Where is he? Ah. Where are you? Oh.
Oh boy. Oh!
One move.
Hey!
He's gonna beat him with one move.
I've got him now.
Oh, the icon drop? Oh boy!
It's the icon drop, everyone.
Oh!
Oh! there's no way he kicked out of that. I believe that was a slow count by the ref.
I'm old and fat and stupid, and I have a nice thingy.
Win.
Yeah, I'm Paul Richard. I'm dumb.
Oh,
Oh.
a half-assed DDT.
Yay!
Oh.
He has to connect in order for you to sell.
Dude, this is Huey. It's Huey. Use the force. Use the positive force.
Oh no, he's going for it. He doesn't know what to do though.
Use the positive force, Huey. Would you like to review Nitro one more time?
Have you seen that guy?
Almost a surfboard.
Whoa! You okay?
Oh. He's hurting
I
me.
think that really hurt. No! Why are you slapping him? Nationalist isn't here for your Lovejoy.
Oh, Huey.
Killjoy?
Oh, Huey, it's
No,
Sergeant
he's-
Tag.
I'm
not
there, Huey. I'm not here.
Tag me, the ref.
Where's Huey?
He's not here.
What?
Maybe he's over there.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh. Ow. Ow. Oh. Oh, boy.
One, two,
Oh
two.
no. The match continues.
Oh.
Oh, that's it. He's over. Go for your chicken wing. One, two. Oh!
Kicks out again.
Two.
Ref says two.
Oh.
Cameraman says boring match.
Eat the sleep.
Hey! Eat it! One! Eat it! Get that out of oh.
Yeah.
No more trying to make him eat a leg.
Eat the fucking
Have you seen these guys, by the way?
Huey.
Have you seen them?
Huey, where are you?
No. Oh, okay. Have you seen them?
I believe.
Oh! Back to the action. What are you doing looking at the ref? Oh, boy. Oh! One, two. Oh, I kicked out.
Oh no.
He fucked up. He fucked up.
I wasn't hitting you. That was him.
Oh.
Him.
Schoolboy.
Oh.
Oh.
This match is insanely long.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, that's ninth clothesline of this match.
Oh.
Oh. I'm hurt. Oh. Oh, no.
Cameraman losing interest very fast.
Oh, boy.
Reverse
stunner.
Who we copying?
Judge.
We want the judge.
We want the judge.
Please pin him. Finally.
1, 2, 3.
Ding 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 ding. Here's your winner. Major Apocalypse.
Oh.
Oh, leave him alone. You okay?